Hello everyone. So welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to send hotel booking confirmation message on WhatsApp automatically. So imagine this, you are a hotel owner and you are using Pabbly Form Builder to collect the booking details of your customer. So let's say there is a guy called as John. He has made a booking on Pabbly Form Builder. So what you really want to do here is you want to send a confirmation WhatsApp message to John. And this confirmation message on WhatsApp would be something like this. Hey John, your booking has been confirmed. Thank you. So here you have two choices. The first choice is you can copy the details of John from Pabbly Form Builder, sort it out, compose a message and send it manually to John on WhatsApp. Now this is actually very repetitive and tiresome. So here I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new form is submitted by a person on Pabbly Form Builder, automatically a message will be sent on WhatsApp to that form submitter. Now, the problem here is there is no active connection between Pabbly Form Builder and WhatsApp. So, in cases like these, we have to bring an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Pabbly Form Builder and WhatsApp. The best part of using this process is a person without any technical background can perform this integration very easily. Now, before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example?
Okay, so as you can see, this is a hotel booking form that I have built with the help of Pabbly Form Builder. And this is a WhatsApp profile of a person called as John Mosby. So a person called as John Mosby is filling the form. He's interested in this hotel, that is Hotel Countryside. And he will be bringing one or two guests. And the check-in date is 15th, okay, and the checkout date is, let's say, on 18th. Then we have the silver package. He's opting for silver package, and these are the details of John Mosby that I have filled earlier. So we have the name, we have the email address, we have of course the phone number, and he will pay at the hotel, and I accept the terms and conditions. John Mosby has accepted the terms and conditions of the hotel, and let me just click on submit. Okay, so the submission has been made by a person called as John Mosby. So John Mosby will be receiving a WhatsApp confirmation message from me. And this is the WhatsApp profile of John Mosby, and this is the message that John Mosby has received from me. Dear John Mosby, greetings from Hotel Countryside. Thank you for choosing Hotel Countryside for your silver package. Your booking number is this. One of our consultants will revert back to you with the best available options at cheapest prices. If you have any queries or want to discuss anything, please feel free to contact at the email address of the hotel, and best regards. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Pabbly Form Builder to WhatsApp? Okay, so these are the steps that you have to follow to send the data from Pabbly Form Builder to WhatsApp. So we have the first step, that is connect Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Connect with help of the Webhook URL. So first of all, you are going to log into Pabbly Connect, and then you are going to integrate Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Connect by copying and pasting the Webhook URL from Pabbly Connect into Pabbly Form Builder. Then we have the step 2, collect the data from Pabbly Form Builder in Pabbly Connect. So you're going to make a submission in Pabbly Form Builder. The details of that form submission will be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. Now we have the third step, send the same data to Wati for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So here's the thing, you can't directly send messages on WhatsApp. That is why we are using an official API of WhatsApp, that is Wati, to send the WhatsApp message. With the help of Wati, you can send WhatsApp message to customer, leads, students, or anyone you want. The process is very simple. Let me show you in detail. Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is hover on products, and here you will find the option that is connect. Just simply click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account, so when I click here, I will be brought to the app section of Pabbly. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down, and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Pabbly Form Builder to WhatsApp. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. And let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now I want to send the data from Pabbly Form Builder. So let me just add Pabbly Form Builder. Okay, Pabbly Form Builder. So we have choices: Pabbly Form Builder, Pabbly Email Marketing, Pabbly Subscription. We want Pabbly Form Builder. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new form submission? Okay, so basically these are the steps that you have to follow to integrate Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so first we are going to integrate Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Connect. So these are the steps we have to follow. First of all, log into Pabbly Form Builder account. Okay, so that is easy because we have already logged into Pabbly Connect. Okay, all you have to do is just click here and you have some choices like email marketing, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly Form Builder. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab. Okay, so this is the Pabbly Form Builder's dashboard, and the form, this particular form, that is hotel booking form, is present here. As you can see, this is the same hotel booking form. Simply put, we are going to integrate this particular form to Pabbly Connect. So what I'm going to do here is, we can actually read the instruction. Okay, so these are the instructions we have. Now we have to go to integrations. Okay, and then, okay, let's go to the integrations. We are going to click on integrations. Okay, afterwards, in the integrations, select the form. Okay, so we have to select the form. Now this is the form, hotel booking form, and we have selected it. Excellent. After selecting the form, just click on create webhook button. So we are just going to click on webhooks. Okay, after that, just click on create webhooks. Just click on create webhooks. Okay, so that's easy. And just add the webhook URL which has been provided here and save it. So this is the webhook URL that has been provided. I'm just going to copy this, and afterwards I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, so we have added the webhook URL. Okay, so let's explore. Do we have did we really insert the same webhook URL? Okay, yeah. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save. Okay, so as you can see, we have the same form ID. Okay, so these are the two forms ID. This is actually a unnecessary step that I'm doing. Now we have two webhooks for the same form. I'm just going to delete this old webhook. Okay, it's not needed. So this is the one that we have recently created. This is the one that we are going to receive the data from the form. Okay, so as you see, it is giving a very positive response that we have an integration. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm just once again click on Recapture Webhook Response. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, next, once we know that we have an integration of Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Connect, we are going to make one more submission. So this is the form once again, or how about I open it from here only. Okay, so let us have a look at the forms. Okay, so let me just go to the dashboard. Okay. From the dashboard, we are going to look into the form. So this is the form, hotel booking form. I'm just going to click on share. And in the share part, I'm just going to copy this link. Afterwards, I'm just going to open this in a new tab. Okay, so basically we have the same form. Now imagine some other guy is going to fill the form. So these are the details. These are the options that he's going to fill. He's interested, once again, let's go with Park and Hotel. Okay. And the check-in date is 17th, and the checkout date is, let's say, 21. Okay, and he's interested in bringing 2 to 4 guests. He's interested in the silver package, and these are the details of the person. So the person name is 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝗍, and let me just add the correct phone number. Okay, so I have added the phone number, and this is the street address and the rest of the details. So he's going to pay at the hotel, and he's ready to accept the terms and condition. Okay, so the person called as 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝗍 is filling the form, actually submitted the form. And let's have a look whether the details of this particular form submission is available in Pabbly Connect or not. So as you can see, we do have some detail. So the name of the hotel that 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝗍 has booked is Park and Hotel. And this is the name of the guy, that is 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝗍. And this is the email address. This is the phone number where we'll be sending the WhatsApp message. This is the city, this is the country, this is the zip code, and the payment mode and rest of the details. So we have got all the details. So what's next? So what I'm going to do here is we have to send the WhatsApp message to this number. So that is why I'm going to use a software called as 𝗏𝗏 to send the WhatsApp message. And that is why in the Choose app, I'm going to include 𝗏𝗏. Okay, 𝗏𝗏 it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it a send template message? So you do have a question, why send template message? Okay, so before we deal with the template message, let me just familiarize you to 𝗏𝗏. So this is my 𝗏𝗏 account. Let me just straight away take you to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of 𝗏𝗏. And if you really want to know what is 𝗏𝗏 and how to create an account, how to log in and all those stuff, we have an excellent video that is added as a link in the description box. So you can explore that video and understand everything about 𝗏𝗏. Okay, so this is my 𝗏𝗏 account. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to integrate 𝗏𝗏 to Pabbly Connect. So let me just straight away click on connect. Okay, so we are going with the new connection. In the new connection, we have to enter the API endpoint as well as the access token. So what is the API endpoint? So to get the API endpoint, let's have a visit to 𝗏𝗏 once again. So this is my 𝗏𝗏 account. Just click on these 3 horizontal lines and just click on the API talks. So this is the API endpoint you want. Copy this. Afterwards, simply paste it here. Okay, so now we have to mention the access token. So to get the access token, let's go back to 𝗏𝗏, copy this and paste it here. So we have added the access token also. At this point, just click on save. Okay, so as you can see, we have some fields: the WhatsApp number, the template, the broadcast name, as well as the custom parameters. Let's start with the easy one, the WhatsApp number. So here we have to mention the WhatsApp number of our guy, that is 𝗏𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝙠𝗆. So this is the WhatsApp number or the phone number of 𝗏𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝙠𝗆. So we want this detail here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click here, and as you can see, these are all the data from our trigger window, and we have mapped it. So as you can see, it is also mentioning a specific instruction: enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without the plus sign. So we have to enter the country code. So this is my country code, okay, that is 91, and we have added it. Okay, now it is also mentioning that you should not include the plus sign, so there is no need to add the plus sign. So we are safe. Okay, now comes the most important part, that is the template. So what's the deal with template? So here's the thing about 𝗏𝗏. Without using the template, you cannot directly send the WhatsApp message. Simply put, you can't just manually compose a message and send it on WhatsApp via 𝗏𝗏. You have to use a template to send the message. And to give you a perspective about the templates, let me show you some templates. So let me just click on broadcast. Okay, so this is my broadcast, and here you have the choice, that is template message. Click on template message. So as you can see, these are some of the templates. Some of them have been approved. Some of them, the status is pending, rejected and approved. And these are some of them that all of them are approved. So my point is, without getting your template approved by Facebook, you cannot send the WhatsApp message on 𝗏𝗏. Now, if you are interested to know how you can create a template from scratch and build your template, submit it and get it approved by Facebook, we have an awesome video which is available as a link in the description box. Please explore that video. You will understand everything about the template. Okay, so now the template that we are interested in working with is known as booking confirmation. Let me just show you booking confirmation. Okay, so yeah, so this is the template that we are interested in, booking confirmation. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select that particular template here also. So these are all the templates that is present in my 𝗏𝗏 account. Now I'm interested in working with the template that is booking confirmation. So yeah, this is the one. We have selected it here. So let us explore this particular template. So let me just take you to that template. Okay, so as you can see, this is the template. So we have the name. Okay, so this is basically the template. Using this particular template as well as the parameter, we have composed this particular message. For instance, we have the parameter called as name. Okay, as you can see, this is the parameter that is name. And this is the name of the person, that is 𝗏𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗆. And when we have the company name, so here we have the company name, hotel countryside, or the name of the hotel. Similarly, once again, we have the company name here, okay? And that is why we have hotel countryside here also. Then we are interested in the third parameter, that is the booking name. So the booking name is this one, that is silver package. That's the name of our booking. And the booking number, okay, so this is basically the booking number. So this is basically the booking number. So my point is, using the parameters as well as this particular template, we have composed this message. So the parameters are the ones that are variables, but the rest of the template will remain static. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just bring your attention to this part, that is custom parameters. I'm just going to copy this whole stuff. Okay, I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, so why I did that? Now remember this, we have, let's see, 1, okay, 2, 3 and 4 parameters. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the company name has been repeated twice, so we will take it as 1. So we have 4 parameters. Now what I'm going to do here is we are going to work with the first parameter, that is the name. Okay, so what I'm done here is I have copied this stuff and pasted it here. So the name of the parameter in this case is color and the value of the color is blue. Now imagine if the name of the parameter is email. The value of the email would be, let's say, john@gmail.com. If the name of the parameter is age, the value would be some two-digit number. If the name of the parameter is address, the value would be some random alphabets. So my point is, what if the name of the parameter is name? So I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to remove this and paste it here. So what is the value of the name? So I'm just going to remove this. Okay, I'm just going to enter the name of the person, that is 𝙏𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆. Okay, so this data came from here. Okay, 𝙏𝗵𝘆 came from here. This is the name of the registrant or the booker who had confirmed the hotel booking. Now that was the name. Now we have the second parameter, that is the company name. So once again, I'm just going to copy this whole stuff. Okay, first enter a comma. Afterwards, paste it here. Okay, so let me just remove this parameter, that is the color. Now copy the parameter, that is company name. Afterwards, paste it here. And the value. So what is our value? So let me just show you the value. So the value of the company name. Now the name of the company is Park Inn Hotel. Okay, that's the name of my hotel, that is Park Inn Hotel, and we have mapped it. Now if you're wondering where this data came from, this data came from here. Let me just show you Park Inn Hotel, this one. Excellent. Now we have to work with the third parameter. So what is our third parameter? Okay, so we have worked with company name. The third parameter is the booking name. Okay, so once again, let me just copy this whole stuff. Afterwards, let me just paste it here. Let me just remove color. Okay, and let me just bring that parameter, that is the booking name. I have copied it. Afterwards, I have pasted it here. Now what is the value of the booking name? Now the booking name was known as the silver package. Okay, so we are going to map this particular detail here. So I'm just going to click here, and this is the name of our booking name. Okay, silver package. So once again a comma. So I hope you are getting the gist. It's very easy. So we have the last parameter, that is the booking number. So once again, I'm going to copy this whole stuff. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to remove the default parameter, that is color. Afterwards, I'm just going to copy the parameter. I'm going to paste it. And then we are going to mention the booking number. Now, I'm going to assign a very unique booking number. So as you can see, it didn't really return any kind of a booking number per se. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to enter the ticket ID. Okay, so as you can see, the earlier we had booked. Okay, so it is showing 8433438. This was the booking number, and right now we have the ticket ID as 8433449. So this is a very unique number, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter a very static name, let's say BK. Okay, and after that I'm just going to enter the ticket ID. Okay, so we have a very unique booking name, booking number. So we have mapped all the details. Now we have to work on the broadcast name. So what is the broadcast name? So let me just take you back to Vati and let me just show you the broadcast history. You will get a perspective what is the broadcast name. So as you can see, these are the messages that has been sent by the coaching institute ABC coaching classes. Furthermore, there are many more messages. Okay, let me just show you all the messages. This has been sent for cake orders. This has been sent for hotel bookings. So my point is, if you give a very unique broadcast name, you can identify the particular message, and you can identify many other tags such as is it successfully been sent, was it read, was it replied, the recipient, and all that stuff. So that's the importance of creating a very unique broadcast name. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to give a unique broadcast name, booking, and then booking dash and the name of our guy. Okay, 𝙧𝗪𝘆 𝗼𝗯𝗆. So this will be a very unique booking broadcast name. So we have worked with the WhatsApp number, we have worked with the template, we have worked with the broadcast name, and we have also worked with the custom parameter. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send the message. So I have clicked on save and send test request. Okay, so if our parameters and the templates are all correct, it will definitely send the message to the person. So as you can see, the response is a positive one. And let me just straight away show you the message that 𝘏𝗵𝘆 might have received. So this is again the WhatsApp profile of 𝘏𝗵𝘆. So let me just refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the same message. Okay, dear 𝘏𝗵𝘆 𝗼𝗠, greetings from Park Inn Hotel. That's the name of the company. This was the first parameter, that was the name. And again, the name of the company, Park Inn Hotel for the silver package. This is the ticket ID and the rest of the things. So the presence of this message indicates that we have a successful integration between Pabbly Form Builder as well as WhatsApp. Now there is an interesting thing that I want to show you. So let me just take you back to 𝑗𝑠. So as you can see, this is the broadcast history and we have the broadcast name like booking-𝘏𝗵𝘆 𝗼𝗠. Okay, so I hope now you get the point. Now using this particular detail, you can actually identify the message, to whom it was sent, and all other statistics. So before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just straight away minimize all my windows. Okay, let me just minimize this action window and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Connect and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to 𝗏𝗏. So now we have a perfect flow of data between Pabbly Form Builder and WhatsApp sending messaging platform, that is 𝗏𝗏. Awesome.
Not just these apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, you can ask questions on forum.pabbly.com. Also, if you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. It will really motivate us to make more videos for you. Thank you.